I'm gonna show you a tour of my base. So here we got the heels, the fencing tree scrap for. We got an oil thingy, needs defense, some beds. I like putting my cultists on it, but then my teammates keep on putting it into the fire. Here's our farm plot, our food supplies. We just killed some cultists. We got the weather machine here. Boost pad. Trap. We got the kids' tents. Small food to fire. Our torches. And then this is what our bench looks like. Oh, we also got my farm machine. Can I say time machine? Yeah. So this is my teammate, the Den. And then I got Tuss. Also, I'm getting lucky for playing for 3 hours. At first it was 4 people and then one of them left for some reason at like 45. We're gonna die at 500 because this game's starting to get boring. Here's our map. Hold on. Oh, this is better. Here's our map. Oh my god, a lot of the chests. But yeah. So that's my base. Well, our base.